Are your client replies going to the wrong inbox? You send out a professional-looking invoice from Xero, and then you wait for a response, but nothing comes through. Meanwhile, your client's reply is sitting in some default email address you never check. Frustrating, right? Here's how to fix the reply to email in Xero in under a minute. We'll walk through the exact settings menu to change it. Just follow these simple steps. All right, let's start with the first step. Go ahead and log into your Xero account. You know the drill, just your usual email and password.
So now that we're in, look at the top menu bar and find the option that says Accounting. It's usually right there between the Home button and the Reports tab. Click on Accounting. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to see a list of options. Look for one that says Accounting Settings. It's typically near the bottom of that list. Go ahead and click on that. And here's the really important part. Once you're inside the accounting settings page, you'll notice there are different categories or tabs along the side or the top. What we need is the one labeled Email Settings. Just click on that. Now we're getting to the good part. On the Email Settings page, scroll down just a little bit until you see a field marked Reply to Email Address. This is the spot where Xero is currently sending all those client replies to. It might be set to a default email that you didn't even realize was there. So clear out whatever email address is currently in that field. And now type in the email address where you actually want those replies to land. This should be your primary inbox, the one you check every single day. Now, pay attention to this one. Before you save anything, take just a moment to double-check that you typed the email address correctly. It's so easy to miss a letter or a dot, and then nothing would work. So just read it over once. Looks good? Perfect. Finally, all that's left is to click the blue Save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've just made sure that every single reply from your clients will now come directly to your preferred inbox. So the next time you send an invoice or a statement from Xero, you can relax, knowing that any response will actually reach you. No more missed messages, no more confusion, just one simple change, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.